Have you ever wondered if you can make your own pineapple jam? Here is a full video about pineapple jam. In your blender, add first your pineapple, then add water, and you start blend everything until soft. Then put in our saucepan 1 cup of sugar, and then you bring our pineapple juice into the saucepan with high fire, and then you start stirring. We are going to stir this juice until the water dries out. So guys, as you can see, when it starts boiling, it brings a lot of bubbles. Continue with stirring until everything is cooked, until when you see the bubbles disappeared from our saucepan. So make sure you don't go anywhere. This time around you have to stay near your saucepan or near your stove. So guys, if you're enjoying watching my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, and let me know where you're watching from so that I will always send to you my greetings. So guys, as you can see in our saucepan, the water and bubbles disappeared already, and what is left in our saucepan is our pineapple jam. As you can see, this is exactly the consistency that we like. And here our jam is ready. Just take it out from the stove, and you get your clean container and you put everything in your container. Make sure you put it when it's still warm, because it will get stick into the saucepan. And here we have our natural pineapple jam with no preservative added. Thanks guys for watching. Bye. I love you.